Safety Toolbox Talk No. 220. Safety Precaution at Fabrication Workshop during monsoon. During the monsoon season, it's crucial to take extra safety precautions in a fabrication workshop to prevent accidents and ensure the well-being of workers. Here are some key measures. 1. Inspection and maintenance. Regularly inspect all equipment, machinery, and structures for any signs of wear, tear, or damage caused by moisture or humidity. Ensure that everything is in good working condition. 2. Slip prevention. Monsoon weather often brings wet floors, increasing the risk of slips and falls. Use non-slip mats and rugs in areas prone to wetness. Encourage employees to wear appropriate footwear with good grip. 3. Electrical safety. Check all electrical systems, outlets, and equipment for water damage or leaks. Make sure all electrical connections are properly insulated and protected from moisture. Consider installing ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, to prevent electrical shocks. 4. Storage and handling. Store materials and tools in dry areas away from moisture. Use waterproof covers or containers for storing sensitive equipment or materials. Handle materials with care to prevent them from becoming slippery or moldy. 5. Ventilation and air quality. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent the buildup of humidity, which can lead to mold growth and poor air quality. Use dehumidifiers or air conditioners if necessary to maintain a comfortable and safe working environment. 6. Fire safety. Review and update fire safety protocols, including the location and condition of fire extinguishers, emergency exits, and evacuation procedures. Keep flammable materials away from water sources, and ensure they are properly stored in designated areas. 7. Training and awareness. Provide training to employees on safety procedures specific to monsoon conditions, including how to recognize hazards and respond appropriately. Encourage open communication and reporting of any safety concerns or incidents. 8. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Ensure that workers have access to appropriate PPE, including waterproof gear, gloves, goggles, and helmets, as necessary to protect against hazards associated with wet conditions. 9. Emergency preparedness. Develop and communicate an emergency response plan tailored to monsoon-related risks, such as flooding or power outages. Conduct drills to practice emergency procedures and ensure that all employees know what to do in case of an emergency. 10. Regular monitoring. Continuously monitor weather forecasts and conditions to stay informed about potential risks and hazards. Stay proactive in addressing any safety issues that arise during the monsoon season. Thank you.